Another question here says, what is the best layout for my farm building? What is the best layout for my farm building? The best layout to build your farm is from west to east or from east to west. So you can take a GPS and then put it in your farm location and make sure that the farm is flowing from west to east or from east to west, depending on where the GPS is showing you as north and south. This allows for free flow of air and it limits the direct impact of sunlight into your pen, which may affect your layer beds especially. It also affects broilers.